Hey there, my friend, what is going on? Vitai Dubin is here, and congratulations on making a decision to get started with this 100% decentralized matrix project coded on the Ethereum blockchain itself called Forsage. You are definitely in the right place, and in this very short video tutorial I'm going to share with you exactly how to get started earning Ethereum daily with Forsage and how to register step by step using the Trust Crypto wallet, which is the official cryptocurrency wallet of Binance, and Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to register and how to open up your slots. As you can see, this account has already generated me over 553 Ethereum. And if you click here on the Ether scan, you can see the internal transactions are happening like every single hour, almost every single day. You can see this has just happened 33 minutes ago, this one 9 hours ago, 1.6 ETH, 3.2 ETH, 0.4 ETH, and this is just happens if I click here every single day. Okay, and I want to show you how you can too. Everything is transparent, and on the blockchain itself, if you click on the smart contract, you can see the contract source code right here. It's unchangeable, and all the transactions happening in this contract like pretty much every single minute. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and download Trust Crypto Wallet, okay? And install it and click on open, and we are going to create a new wallet. Now, it's very important to back up your wallet with 12 words. This is your private key. All of the payments in Forsage are coming instantly directly into your personal Ethereum wallet that you control the private key, like the Trust wallet. Okay, so you click on continue here, and it's going to generate you your recovery phrase. Make sure that you write down all of these 12 words on a piece of paper with your pen and paper. Do not take a screenshot on your phone or on your PC, okay? Make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Go ahead and do it right now. And when you are done, click on continue, and now verify your recovery phrase one word at a time. Well done. And after you're done, you click on the done button, okay? It created your wallet. Now you're inside, okay? And it will show you your Ethereum address. Now your next step is to deposit Ethereum into this wallet. You click on send, not on send, on receive, okay? And you will see right here your Ethereum address to deposit. You can do it from any other Ethereum wallet that you have on the exchange, or MyEther wallet, or any other Ethereum wallet that you have. Now, if you do not have Ethereum yet and you need to go ahead and buy Ethereum, I'll show you the top places to do it. The first place I highly recommend is crypto.com. You can buy Ethereum here with 0% credit card fee using your Visa, and in some countries also MasterCard. So you download the app from the Play Store, okay, or the App Store on crypto.com. You do your verification with your real name, your passport, okay, and your selfie. And once you're verified, inside you'll be able to buy Ethereum with 0% fee. There is a video tutorial how to do it right on this page. Also, you can buy it with Binance. You can register an account on Binance Exchange, Binance.com. You can get verified there as well, send in your documents, okay? And then you can buy your crypto using Visa or MasterCard, and also pay from 0 to 1.5% fee. Okay, now the question is how much Ethereum you should buy and get started with Forsage. Now, we have members who start as high as 11 slots on X3 and 11 slots on X4, okay, activating all of these slots up to 25.6 Ethereum. The more slots you activate, the more you can earn with Forsage faster. So for example, there is ID 2920 who activated 11 slots on X4, and just by spillover was able to generate about 80 Ethereum. Okay, without any referrals. That's absolutely amazing. Now, that's not a guarantee that you're going to generate similar results, okay? And I do recommend that you set up both X3 and X4 at the same time. So the question is how much, okay? You can get started typically with 3.2 ETH, okay? A lot of members, they activate 6 slots in X3 and 6 slots in X4, which is 3.2 ETH, okay? To activate 7 slots, you need in both, you need 6.4 ETH, so that's a great start. 5 slots in X3 and X4, that's about a 1.6 ETH. So go ahead and transfer Ethereum into your Trust crypto wallet right now. Okay, I just for demonstration purposes deposited about $170 here in Ethereum. Now what you need to do is click here on the 4 squares, the dApps, and paste here the link that you are seeing on this page, okay? Whatever the link you're seeing on this page right now, you want to copy it and paste it right here in this address and hit enter. You're going to see this website right here. Now you want to click on join now, and you can also see this page right here immediately as you copy and paste this link. This is totally fine. What you want to do is click on the big green button, click to register. So click that, okay? And now it will show you ID of the inviter, okay? And what you need to do is just simply click on confirm, okay? And now it will show up this 0.05 Ethereum, and you just need to click on the approve button, and that's it, okay? It will say okay. And now you will see this is the information about the transaction. This is the transaction ID, okay? And you can look it on the Etherscan on the Ethereum blockchain, and it should have at least a couple of confirmation here, okay? So I can click on this link and it will show that it is still pending. Now I need to wait just a little bit so it shows success and a couple of confirmations. Now as you go back here, okay, you will see this. Now we just entered the view mode, and it is very important that we just log out, okay? Click on log out and then click on the green button again, okay? And it will essentially show you the sign message. You click on OK, and now you're going to enter Forsage, okay? Now you have the unique ID that the system have assigned to you. Note, never share your private key, the 12 words. Now what you need to do here is very, very simple. You have already active slot number 1 in X3 and slot number 1 in X4. You just need to click on the next slot on this pink shopping cart and confirm the purchase. You click OK, and then it will show you 0.05 Ethereum, and you click on approve, okay? And that's it. And that's how you activate each slot one by one. Now when you refresh the page, okay, it should be like 30 seconds maximum, 40-50 seconds max, but usually faster, and you'll see this slot that you purchase will become green. Now you purchase the slots once, and they will continue generating you income over and over and over again, okay, as you grow and build your Forsage business. Now your goal is to activate all of the slots as soon as possible and get started with as many as you can. Now let's refresh this. I don't know what happened here, but we'll type in lk.forsage.io, and there you go. You have 2 slots open here. Now I'll click on the buy button on Forsage X4, and I'll do the same thing over here, okay? Again, it will be a little bit like 30 seconds and it will be done. Now you can always click here on your Ethereum wallet on the Etherscan, and you can see exactly the status of your activation. You see it is still pending, okay? and now the smart contract has been executed. All right, so now we'll get back, okay, and it will be already active. So I'll do the same thing with 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.8, 1.6, okay, and the same thing with X4. Now you're done and active, and let me show you what you need to do next, okay? So first of all, right here, you want to set up your goal. You want to set up your goal. It will show you up right here, okay? It will show you up right here the name, description of the goal, like what your why, and you can upload an image and the required amount in Ethereum dollars and the date. So this is your time to start dreaming big, to set up big goals and big dreams. This is your drive. This is what will motivate you every day to put in the effort to building your Forsage business and make progress on your goal. And it's going to show you right here how much progress you made on your goal. Like for example, one of my goals here is to buy an apartment near the sea, and I need 4,250 Ethereum for that, and it showed me I already achieved 3% of that since the time that I set up this goal. So this will not only inspire you, it will also inspire your team as they're going to see your progress towards your goal. So go ahead and do it as quickly as you can. Think about your big goal, your big dream, what you want to achieve with Forsage, okay? Next is you want to click here to enable notification on Telegram, and you can open it up right here, and it will actually show you whenever something happens in your matrix, a new person joined, okay, Forsage in your team, or you earned, like whenever you see those bags of money, this is when you earn directly into your Ethereum wallet. Like this is $157 right here. This is $5, $78. This like happens all day long right here. Those matrices are just cycling and generate you income. This is $608 right here. This is like another $608. This is all today. So the way that you do it, you click on accounts, you click on add, okay, and you go here and you essentially copy your Ethereum wallet, and then you put in here and save, okay, address added successfully. Now it's going to notify you about everything going on in your Forsage business. And you have your affiliate link over here. You can see your partner instructions, how many members registered under your account, what's your total partners in your team, and how much they have made. Like you see all of these different stats under partners. You'll see statistics here about what's going on with your Forsage, and you see instructions here. This is like how the matrices work, okay? And you can decide whether to show in euros or in dollars or in Russian ruble here, how much you made over here in Forsage, okay? So this is how to set up your Forsage step by step with Trust Wallet. I want to congratulate you one more time to making a smart decision to get started with this amazing project Forsage. Welcome to the team.